Okay, we are going to go over your test that you have that you did yesterday. Number 1 says the average human fingernail grows 3 millimeters each month. 3 millimeters. How is the number written in centimeters? So equals blank centimeters. If you go and do King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. We know here the U stands for unit. Sorry, there seems to be a glare. You're here and you're going to here. M stands for milli, and then because we are using meters, that's what the unit's in. So I'm going from here to here. The C stands for centimeters. Okay? So if I have my number right here, and it's 3, my decimal's right there. My decimal, well, we went to the left one, so my decimal's going to move to the left one. So now that means my answer is 0.3. So the answer is C. I'm sorry there's a glare. I'm trying to, I don't know how to fix that, but hopefully it'll get better. Okay, here. During snack time, each of Mrs. Gregory's students had a bottle of water. The following table shows how much students drank. Jason drank 1.054 liters. Sarah did 945 milliliters. Daniel did 0.845 liters. And Katie did 1,043 milliliters. Which student drank the most water? What you have to do is, because these are in different units, you need to convert them to the same unit. If I were you, I would change liters to milliliters. That way it's easier for you to compare. So if I have 1.054 liters and I'm going to milliliters, if I do King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk, I'm starting here at units for liters, and I'm going to milliliters. So 1, 2, 3. So that means my decimal here is going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then now my last one for liters is 0.845 liters equals blank milliliters. I already know I'm going to have to move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So that means my answer is 845. So now the question is, because this equals, that equals for Jason, and that equals for Daniel. If Jason has 1,054, Sarah has 945, which I'm copying straight from here, Daniel has 845, and Katie has, then which one has the most? Which one has the highest number? Jason has the highest number. Okay? All I'm doing is using King Henry. The next question says Sharon used 2 gallons of ice cream to make ice cream sundaes for her softball team. Each sundae needed a pint of ice cream. How many ice cream sundaes did Sharon make? So, if I do gallon man, I do Q, 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 Q. I know that each gallon has, or each quart has 2 pints. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 8 pints equals 1 gallon. And if 1 gallon equals 8, 1G equals 8P. So what does 2G equal? Well, if we cross multiply, 8 times 2, oh, sorry, that's hard for you to see. 8 times 2 equals 16. So your answer is C. Or you could have said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 1. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 2. Okay? Kay ran the 210-yard dash for her class at field day. How many feet did Kay run at her race at field day? So if she did 210 yards, and they want to know in feet. What are my facts that I know about feet? I know that 1 yard, sorry, I keep going over there, equals 3 feet. And if I have yards here and feet here.
If your last name starts with Wineland or Nesbitt, please come to Jennifer's room. If your last name is Wineland or Nesbitt, come to Jennifer's room.
Clearly I'm doing this after school. So, I was given 210. Yards goes with yards. I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to do 210 times 3. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. And 3 times 2 equals 6. Now I need to divide by 1 because I cross multiply and divide. Divide by 1. And I get 630. Okay, so those are the first 4 questions. I'm going to do the next 4 questions in another video, so you're going to have to upload that one if you need to watch those.